Hello everyone, I'm Tiwang Sundarwan from Devil. So today I'm going to show you how to uh, add a domain to hosting, cPanel. So let's see how to do that. If you uh, don't subscribe yet, you can subscribe my YouTube channel and watch our other tutorials. So let's start. Okay, I have a Namecheap account, so I'm logging to my Namecheap account. Okay, there is a two-step verification. Okay, here it is. Okay, now this is my Namecheap account. So I have some domains here. So I'm going to add a hosting for this domain. So asboss.com. So I'm click manage. Then before the add to my cPanel, I should change my name servers. So there is Namecheap basic DNS. So I am change it to custom DNS. Now you can change your name servers. Okay, that's some my name servers. There are two. So then click that save button. Okay, DNS server update may take up to 48 hours. It means 2 days take to update. Okay, now I have a cPanel. I'm going to log in here. Okay, this is my cPanel. So now I'm going to add a new domain to here. So there is some features here. Now I want to add the domain. There is other features in here. I will explain that's in next tutorial. Okay, now there is a add-on domain in the domain section. So I click add-on domains. Then I add my domain to here. Okay, it's a space. So then I click here. You can see subdomain because I have a root domain. So they automatically create a subdomain as my root domain. Then click add domain. Okay, the add-on domain asboss.com has been created. If you would like to manage the files for this domain, you can do so here, file manager. So I no need to add some files. So Uh, this is the tutorial about how to add a domain to cPanel or VPS. Uh, so let's check our domain now. Okay, it's not working yet. You saw they take 48 hours. So in the next tutorial, let's see how to install WordPress correctly to our domain. Okay, thank you all. You can subscribe and hit the like button to my video. Thank you.